Come here, big boy. We will paint them out for being my stones. Ah! You will do. Ah! Play cake! Mayor! I want those guys turn everything to normal! Invite them over now! Got it, Officer McQueen! Good show! Ow, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, thank God. Professor Z, you are the most climate person for making everybody crooked. You are under arrest. Please, I want to behave one more time. No! It's too bad, Professor Z. Hook him up, Mater, on this cab. Okie dokie. Here, come. Oh! Professor Z? What have you done wrong this time? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I was just being a bit better. I was being good. You're lying. Put him in prison.